Hello everyone. Welcome to Syed's School. In today's session, we'll be diving into AWS and learning how to create a network access control list, NACL, from scratch. Let's get started. Navigate to the left-hand pane and select Network ACLs to proceed. You'll notice a default network ACL listed here. This is automatically generated when the VPC is created. Let's explore its configuration details to understand its rules and associations. Here, we can see the network ACL ID along with the associated VPC ID. It's marked as the default NACL and currently linked to 6 subnets. Moving to inbound rules. We observe Rule 100 in the inbound rules section, which permits all incoming traffic. Since network ACLs are stateless, an equivalent outbound rule is required to allow return traffic. Typically, Rule 100 in the outbound rules section also allows all outbound traffic. By default, AWS creates NACLs with rules that allow all inbound and outbound traffic to ensure initial connectivity. In the outbound rules section, we can confirm the presence of Rule 100. Now let's move forward and create a new network ACL, NACL, in AWS. This will allow us to define custom rules for controlling inbound and outbound traffic at the subnet level. Now let's click on the Create Network ACL tab. Let's enter Demo NACL as the name for our new network ACL. This label will help us easily identify it among other NACLs within the VPC. Next, select the default VPC from the drop-down menu to associate it with our new network ACL. This ensures the NACL will be available for use within the default virtual network environment. Our custom network ACL, named Demo NACL, has been successfully created. It's now ready for subnet associations and custom rule configurations to control traffic flow. Let's review the details of our newly created Demo NACL. The default attribute is clearly marked as No, indicating this is a custom NACL, and not the one automatically assigned to the VPC. Now let's proceed to the inbound and outbound rules sections. By default, a newly created custom network ACL like our Demo NACL denies all inbound and outbound traffic. Let's begin by adding custom rules to our Demo NACL. Start by clicking on the Edit Inbound Rules button. We will add 2 inbound rules here, one to allow HTTP, port 80, and another for SSH, port 22. Next, we'll mirror these rules in the outbound section to ensure bidirectional traffic flow. Here, rule numbers determine evaluation priority. Lower numbers are processed first. This means rule number 100 will be evaluated before rule number 110, allowing you to control traffic flow with precision. We will save the inbound rule changes and proceed to configure the outbound rules for Demo NACL. We've mirrored the inbound rules in the outbound section, allowing both HTTP, port 80, and SSH, port 22 traffic. This ensures seamless bidirectional communication for the associated subnets. Now we will associate 2 subnets with Demo NACL to ensure our custom inbound and outbound rules are enforced at the subnet level. This linkage activates the NACL's traffic control for resources within those subnets. Let's select 2 subnets to associate with Demo NACL and save the changes. We can see that the 2 subnets are now successfully associated with Demo NACL. It's important to note that each subnet can be associated with only one NACL at a time. Any new association will overwrite the previous one. That wraps it up for now. Catch you next time. Until then, take care and goodbye.